Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambie. In today's video, I am going to cook a very simple vegetable stew from the state of Arunachal. It is called Oying. I'm not really sure which tribe it belongs to because Arunachal has about 21 tribes and about 200 sub-tribes. Oying is a very delicious, wholesome vegetable boil that is made out of vegetables that are available seasonally. Lucky for me, my mum has planted all the required vegetables in her garden, so let's go raid her vegetable garden again. I think that should do. And some potatoes. This is the old potato. Let's see if there is something inside. Oh, there's one. One, two. Three. Yeah. I think this should do. These vegetables here and all that is grown in this village is completely organic, and we use zero chemicals to grow these vegetables, and only chicken poop is used. Let's quickly go wash these vegetables. There are very few places in the world where you have the luxury of clean water flowing right past your house, and this is Northeast for you. We are all set, let's go. The ingredients required to make Oying are a mixture of vegetables like mustard greens, cabbage, beans, French beans, potatoes that has been peeled and cubed, 3 to 4 green chilies finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and salt to taste. Alright, first things first, we need to boil 2.5 cups of water. Our water looks boiled, let's add in the vegetables. Tear mustard greens, cabbage by hand. The reason why we do this is because we believe that cutting the vegetables with knife will alter the taste of the vegetables. So let's tear the vegetables. So normally in northeastern cooking, while boiling vegetables, we do not cover it with a lid so as to preserve the natural color of the vegetables. Allow the vegetables to cook till they are tender, and remember not to add the chilies, ginger and salt just yet. Oh my god, the beans are so fresh, it's so delicious. The vegetables are boiled, now let's add the chilies and stir in the salt. Give it a good stir and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. looks like it's ready. Let's take it off the pot. Now that the dish is out of the flame, you can stir in the ginger. And cover it with a lid. In most of the northeastern dishes, we use very minimal spices. We mainly use ginger and chilies to flavor our dish, and the reason why we add ginger at the end is to trap the aroma of the ginger to the dish, otherwise it will go wasted while it's being cooked. This doesn't hold true for every tribe. As I was saying earlier, there are over 21 tribes in Arunachal Pradesh alone and over 200 sub-tribes. So each tribe cooking varies from the other. It smells amazing. You can serve this with hot steamed rice or you can have it as such. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and make yourself an Oying at home. Stay healthy, stay fit, and I will see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.